Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about AMEX gift cards, and more specifically, we're going to see if we can use it on our Sony PlayStation account. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, I'm filming on my phone. I've already logged into my PlayStation account right here. You can do this on your PlayStation as well. Just for me, it's easier to film here. It's basically the same process. Here's the website you want to go to. Check my video description. I'll try to leave a quick link there. But one thing I want to let you know is you do need to log into your PlayStation account here in order to be able to check to see if you can add your AMEX gift card. So I'm not too sure if American Express gift cards work on your Sony PlayStation account, but we're going to find out together. So once you've logged into your Sony PlayStation account, you'll come across this drop-down menu here. But what you want to look for is this section right here called Payment Management. It has a little credit card icon next to it. I'm going to click there now. Okay guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, you're going to see this screen that shows your wallet balance on your PlayStation account. But if you want to try to add your American Express gift card into your Sony PlayStation account, you want to click right here on Add Payment Method. It's this blue line right here. I'm going to click there now. All right, next you get this choice to either add a credit card or debit card, a PayPal account, or some sort of a prepaid card. So I'm going to choose this top line, add a credit or debit card, since this is an American Express gift card. I'm going to click there now. Okay, next, PlayStation is asking for the 15-digit AMEX gift card number, along with cardholder name, expiration date, and security code for your American Express gift card. One thing I want to let you know is that normally when they're asking for a cardholder's name and I'm using an AMEX gift card, I just use my name. Because this is not registered to me, there's no name there, but usually I don't run into an issue at all if I just use my name. So I'm going to enter all this information in off screen. Also, another thing I want to note is the CVV code on an AMEX gift card is this 4-digit code on the front. So let me go ahead and enter that in off screen now. Okay, I went ahead and entered in all the required information. Next, this next button pops up right here. I'm going to click there now. Okay, next, PlayStation is asking for the billing address for the credit card. However, once again, this is a gift card from AMEX, so there's no billing address associated with it. Normally what I do is I just put in my own mailing address, and I've never ran into an issue with that. And that's a little unlike the Visa gift cards where you can register a zip code. With AMEX, you cannot do that. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in my billing address now. But one thing I want to note is you don't want to put in a fake address, because if the merchant needs to contact you for some reason, they need your actual address to mail it to. Also, sometimes they ask you to verify things later on after you've been using this card, and the billing address might be one of those, so it's best just to use your own mailing address. So I'm going to enter that in now. Okay guys, I went ahead and entered in all that required information, and if you scroll down, you're going to get this blue save button right here. I'm going to click there now. Okay guys, just a few seconds later, this screen pops back up, and it looks like yes, you can use your AMEX gift card on your Sony PlayStation account as a payment method. As you can see, I now have a new AMEX gift card payment method listed right there. So if you were not able to add your American Express gift card into your PlayStation account for some reason, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know why that might be. But as far as I can see, it looks like it should not be an issue at all for you. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.